This yoga content is created for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Please consult a qualified doctor or certified yoga instructor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any medical condition, injury, or are pregnant. Practice mindfully, listen to your body, and stop immediately if you feel pain or discomfort. Perform all exercises at your own risk.
Daily yoga for mental health. Let's go start. Tadasana, mountain pose. Improves posture, increases body awareness, builds mental stability and confidence. Utkatasana, chair pose. Builds focus and determination, strengthens mind-body connection. Garudasana, eagle pose. Enhances concentration, reduces mental distraction, improves balance. Malasana, yogic squat pose. Releases emotional tension, promotes grounding and stability. Matsyasana, fish pose. Opens the chest, improves breathing, reduces emotional heaviness. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Boosts energy, improves mood, reduces mental fatigue. Gomukhasana, cow face pose. Relieves stress, improves emotional balance and patience. Supta Baddha Konasana, reclining butterfly pose. Deep relaxation, calms nervous system, reduces anxiety. Marjariasana Bitilasana, cat-cow pose. Relieves stress, improves coordination of breath and movement. Padahastasana, hand to foot pose. Increases blood flow to the brain, reduces overthinking. 12. Bhramari Pranayama, bee breathing. Instantly calms the mind, reduces anger and tension. Utkatasana, chair pose. Builds focus and determination, strengthens mind-body connection. Garudasana, eagle pose. Enhances concentration, reduces mental distraction, improves balance. Malasana, yogic squat pose. Releases emotional tension, promotes grounding and stability. Matsyasana, fish pose. Opens the chest, improves breathing, reduces emotional heaviness. Dhanurasana, bow pose. Boosts energy, improves mood, reduces mental fatigue.